What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and I'm here with Nikolaos Cacos, President, CEO, and Director of Argentina Lithium. It's a pleasure to have you back on. How are you doing today, Nikolaos?
I'm doing very well, thanks. Pleasure to be back on your program. Thank you.
Yes, I'm excited to be talking. A lot has changed since we last spoke, especially, the share price in this crazy market. I would say, things are going pretty well so far. So could you start by giving us an update on the company, telling us a little bit more, what the company's about for viewers that haven't seen the first video, and then just, what you're up to recently.
Certainly, I can do that. Just in a nutshell, Argentina Lithium, we are a junior exploration company focused in northwestern Argentina. We have 4 projects that we're working on, and we are managed by the management team is known as Grosso Group, which is a pioneering, well-known management group in Argentina. We've had over 30 years of experience, continuous experience in that country, and that's given us a real competitive advantage right now, especially with the news that we have just announced late last week, in that we closed very, very significant financing. We closed a $90 million US financing with Stellantis, one of the third largest car makers in the world. They own brands like Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat, Lancia, Maserati, and so forth. They're just an enormous corporation, and I think the projects that we've done and the work that we've been doing so far has definitely been validated with this very significant investment.
Definitely, and in this market where companies are struggling to raise cash, I'd say that's a really big win for you guys. So with the stock up over 200%, currently, what does this mean for the company? Where do we go from here?
Well, this means right now that we can focus on the operations of the company. We can focus on our drill programs, our exploration programs, generating resource calculations, and taking the company all the way to pre-feasibility study without having to worry about the market. It allows us to maintain a longer term view of our company, which I believe will provide better, rewards for the company and ultimately its shareholders.
Yeah, that's exactly what you want to be doing. So, what sets Argentina Lithium apart from its competitors? Why should investors take a look at the company today compared to any other time?
Well, for one, for the reasons we just finished talking about, we are definitely fully funded to execute on the next few years of exploration programs. I think, 2, the quality of the projects that we've got in our company, the results that we've been putting out on our drill program have been exemplary, very similar, comparable to the results that our neighbors like Rio Tinto have been putting out. So we're on our way, I think, to embarking here on a significant discovery. And 3, it's the management team, the management group operating in Argentina as Grosso Group. It gives us a profile in that country with governments, local, provincial, and federal governments, and throughout the industry there. And it's by having that profile that we're able to make the initial contact with, a prestigious investor such as Stellantis.
So as we look into 2024 and beyond, for, let's say, a new investor, what's next for the company?
Well, next, right now, we're reworking our exploration plans, seeing that we have a significant sum of money in our treasury. We're looking to see how we can accelerate all our plans right now. We're in cases where we're using just 1 drill rig, maybe we can get 2, 3, or 4 drill rigs moving so that we can shorten the time frames and complete the exploration sooner.
So when it comes to lithium, what's your take on the current state of the market, and where do we go from here?
Lithium is here to stay. If anybody looks around, and I know when I look around in my neighborhood, I see more and more electric vehicles being populated out there. Sure, the lithium prices perhaps has come off a little bit, but I think in the long term, we're seeing the electrification of automobiles is not going to stop. That is the #1 main driver right now for the usage of lithium and lithium batteries. And as that process continues, we foresee the demand exceeding actually what the supply is. So I personally, and as an organization, we feel that the price of lithium is going to be very optimistic. It is going to continue to rise in the future here.
Great. So, finally, where should investors and prospective shareholders go for more information on the company if they're interested?
Well, best place to go is to our website, Argentina Lithium, argentinalithium.com. Beyond that, you can contact our investor relations persons or reach out by telephone, by email, or you can even find us all on social media.
Thanks so much, Nikolaos. Congratulations once again, and I look forward to continuing to cover your story as your project develops.
Great. Thank you very much.
If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.